If you've dropped a stitch off your needle and you're new to knitting, it can be quite disconcerting to figure out how to fix it because it may have dropped down a few rows like this. You see each strand that's running across like that is a row that it's dropped down. So if I pull this out, it has dropped down 1, 2, 3 strands, and this is the stitch that came down. So the question is now, how do you pick that up so that it's not twisted and you don't miss any of these? The first thing is to grab your stitch like so and hold it straight. So you can see that this is the left side of the stitch and that's the right side of the stitch. So that's the first place you want to get started with. When it's mounted on the needle, a stitch would always be turned this way so that the right side is sitting on the needle. But when you're picking it up, you just want to hold it straight on. Then the next thing you want to do is kind of move the other stitches back a little so that they're not going to slip off as you're going. And the easiest way of doing this is with a crochet hook. So what you want to do is have that stitch straight, pop it on the crochet hook, and then with the right side facing, every strand that has dropped down, you pick it up and pull it through. Here's the next one, the strand that has dropped down, pick it up, pull it through, and the final one, pick it up and pull it through. Now this top stitch, remember what I said, that the right side is the front, so when you put it on, you'll always come from the front and you'll see that it's mounted the same way as the other stitches, and this looks just fine. Sometimes you may need to kind of pull it around a little to kind of straighten the stitch up and the rows down below, but that's all you need to do, pick those stitches up. But do come from the right side with the stockinette stitch. So if you're on this side and you're trying to pick it up, turn it around and pick it up from the other side because it's much easier this way because you're pulling them all the way through from the front.